I am sorry is supposed to fix things. So why does it sometimes make the other person angrier? If you have ever apologized and watched the fight get worse instead of better, you were not bad at apologizing. You were using the wrong kind. Here is what nobody tells you. Most apologies are not actually about the other person. They are about making us feel less guilty as fast as possible. I am sorry you feel that way. I said I was sorry. What more do you want? These sound like apologies, but the other person hears something different. I want this conversation to end, not to understand what I did. And that is when a sorry lights the fire hotter instead of putting it out. Psychologists break real apologies into three parts: acknowledgment, responsibility, and repair. Most failed apologies skip straight to repair without ever naming what was actually done wrong. That skip is what people feel as fake. A repair offered before the hurt is acknowledged is read as a bribe, not remorse. The fix is almost embarrassingly simple. Say the specific thing you did before you say sorry. Not, I am sorry you are upset, but I am sorry I dismissed what you said, and I understand why that hurt. Specificity is what separates an apology that heals from one that just clears your conscience. If you have ever had an apology backfire on you, tell me what happened in the comments. I read every single one. And if this made you rethink the way you apologize, subscribe.